you miss me? I know I changed. I'm feeling skeleton-like today. Well, still, I'm in the same outfit. I'm recording again. But I was feeling like, what would I dress up if I celebrated Halloween as? And I was like, I just love Frozen. So I'm feeling a little bit like an ice queen. And I'm going to get out some snowball ice. We are going to make a math problem with my snowball ice. So you need your dry erase board and your marker. And you don't have that, grab paper. Any of those things will work because I do want you to record this, which would mean write it down so I know that your big brain is working with us. So grab your boards or your paper and let's get ready to make some magical ice. Okay, I'm here. Woohoo, I'm finally here. Okay, I would like you to think Mrs. Jones has 9 magical snowballs or ice diamonds, whatever you may call them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you remember how many I had? We need to label it. Yes, I have 9, and I'm put a J for Jones. Okay. My friend Miss Brotland, she only has 8 of them. I'm going to label 8 so I remember to give her 8 ice queen pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She loves Frozen too. B for Miss Brotland. Okay, now we both lost 2 of our magical ice balls. So I lost 2 and she lost 2. And I'm wondering, what do I have now? Because I certainly don't have 9 anymore and she doesn't have 8 anymore. So really, what is 9 minus 2? Or can you figure out how many I have? Go ahead and do that now. How many? Yeah, 7. Okay, I have 7. What does she have now? What does Miss Brotland have? She has 6. Okay, now I want you to tell me, now that we've figured that out, I have 7 ice balls, she has 6. Who has more? Like, who would be the ice queen with more ice balls or snowballs? Yeah, because it would be me, because 7 is bigger than 6. You got it. Let me see those boards. Show them to me. Perfect. Okay, I want you to swap out now and grab your green math book. Grab your green math book. I put all my snowballs on there. You're going to grab your green math book. In your green math book, here it is, you're going to go to page 185. Now mine would normally be stuck in there, but I pulled it out because it's another sheet, just like we did yesterday. So we should be pretty good at this one. And I'm hoping it goes well for you. Here's the page number you were looking for, 185, 185. Now, if you'd like to, while other friends are looking, we need to fill this out again. So it says, do it again. This time they're looking for, can we do it quickly? And remember my hint, I did the top, then I did going down, which would be the side, and then I filled in the middle because there was a plan to it. We had to count by ones as we solved. So we said 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. And remember, I say them out loud so I get better at counting and quicker at it. 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 plus 6 is 7, 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, and 1 plus 9 is 10, and then we do it again. But before we do it again, you have to go down the row. 2 plus 0 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 6 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus 0 is 9, 10 plus 0 is 10. Sweet. Okay, we got to go back to our do it again. Oh, you want to go fast. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're like, do it again. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 2 is, no, it's not 2. I made a mistake. That's okay. It's 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. And then we do it again. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. Then we do it again. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then we do it again. Try it. Yes. Okay, here we go. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then we do it again. Hopefully you're ahead of me by now. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 2 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. Great. Okay. Finish up. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Then it's do it again. It's 10. Good work. Okay. We're going to turn the page. You stay in your math book. Turn your page to this one. Okay. Now it's going to say use the card. You don't have a card. I have a card for you. I'll show you what it's going to look like. It's actually a little Post-it, but I'm going to show you the math problem I would like you to do on that Post-it. It is just like the one on the card on the paper. It's this one. It is 6. Actually, I'll put it down here so you can see it better. 6 minus 4. That's what's going up here. 6 minus 4. Okay, try it right now. Do 6 minus 4. 6 fingers. Take down 4. Yeah, it's 2. So you put in your 2. Now, you can get the card out of your way because we're still going to think through it. We're going to turn this fact around. We're going to use these numbers, the exact same numbers. We're going to take the big number and we're going to put the big number in the equals part. Are you ready? Okay. Now we're going to take those two and we know that 4 plus 2 is 6. Good job. After we do that, it says write the problems on the same parts of the total. Shade the totals orange. So when they say orange, I'll show you that part in a minute. You're going to do this again. You're going to do it again. Are you ready? This time, you're going to make this one a subtraction, this one addition. Okay? So here's what that means. We're still going to subtract 6, but now we're going to take the 2. 6 minus 2 is, yeah, it's still 4. We're still going to add. The answer is still 6, but we're not going to start with a 4. We're going to start with 2. 2 plus 2 plus what? Yes, it's 4. Put the 4 in. You now made a fact family, a whole bunch of number sentences that are related to each other. Here we go. We're going to do some more. Move over to number 2. This one is going to be 5 minus 3. Go ahead and let me know when you got that answer. 5 minus 3. Yeah, it's 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Thanks. Now we're going to take those numbers. The big number goes in the equal. And we're going to take these two numbers and put them in. Yes, right there, because 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we're going to do the exact same thing. It's going to be subtraction, and I'm going to match that one. It's a plus sign. We're still going to subtract with 5. But this time we're going to use the 2. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now we're going to do some addition, but we're not going to start with 3. We're going to, 2 plus 3 equals 5. You did awesome. I'm going to ask that you do one more with me. Then you could surprise me at the end if you want that challenge. Here's the last one we're going to do. It's going to be 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. I'm going to do it a little bit different than I have done before. I'm going to use 4 fingers and count back. 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, the answer is 3. Here we're going to do addition. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now we're going to subtract and we're going to add, just like we've been doing. When we subtract, we take the big number. We're not going to repeat it. We're going to use the one that was over here that we haven't used yet. Because 7 minus 3 equals 4. There's that related fact. Now we're going to do addition, and we can't start with 3. We start with 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Nice job. I said this one we should all try our own. If you don't have your own, like you're like, oh, I don't want to make up my own for you, Mrs. Jones, I would like to do it with you. Let's do this. This one's going to be 8 minus 2. And I'll give you another trick. We're going to count back. So 10, 9, I'm sorry, we're on 8. Excuse me. And here's your 2 fingers. 7 and 6, we come back. 7 and 6. So the answer is 6. Good. Now we're going to make addition. So we're going to say 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now we're subtracting and we're adding. And I'm going to take those numbers and use the big one again. 8's the biggest number. And I'm not going to use 2 this time in the first. Yeah, it's 8 minus 6 equals 2. And for addition, we say, yes, 2 plus 6 equals 8. Great job. Feel free to take a picture and show it to me. Nice work. Later, Gator.